Welcome back to Easy Peasy English, EPE Academy. Today, we're continuing our adventure with Stephan and Antonia. In our last episode, they explored Amsterdam Airport, grabbed a bite, and rushed to their new gate after a last-minute gate change. Now they've landed in Barcelona and are ready to start their vacation. But first, they need to get to their hotel. Before we listen in on their conversation, let's learn 5 more useful phrasal verbs, idioms, and collocations for travel situations. Today's expressions. Number 1. Figure out. Meaning, to understand something or solve a problem by thinking about it. Example. We need to figure out how to get to the city center from here. Number 2. Settle in. Meaning, to make yourself comfortable in a new place or situation. Example, let's go to the hotel first and settle in before we explore. Number 3, on the go. Meaning, busy and active, moving from place to place. Example, I'm always on the go when I travel. I can't sit still. Number 4, call it a day. Meaning, to decide to stop what you're doing, usually because you're tired. Example, we've walked for hours. Let's call it a day and rest. Number 5, sleep in. Meaning, to stay in bed later than usual in the morning. Example, tomorrow is our free day. We can finally sleep in. All right, now that you know today's expressions, let's join Stephan and Antonia as they arrive in Barcelona and make their way to the hotel. Listen carefully and see how many expressions you can catch.
We made it! Barcelona at last! I can't believe we're finally here.
Me neither. That was a long journey. 2 flights, 1 crazy layover, and now Spain.
So, how do we get to the hotel? Bus, taxi, metro?
Let me figure out the best option. I downloaded a transport app before we left.
Smart. What does it say?
The metro is cheap, but takes about 40 minutes. A taxi is faster, but more expensive.
I'm exhausted. Let's take a taxi. I just want to settle in at the hotel.
Agreed. We can be adventurous tomorrow. Tonight, comfort wins.
There's a taxi stand over there. Let's go.
Perfect. I have the hotel address ready on my phone.
This taxi is so comfortable. I could fall asleep right here.
Don't fall asleep. We're almost there. Look outside. Barcelona is beautiful at night.
Wow. Look at all those lights. And is that the Sagrada Familia in the distance?
I think so. We definitely need to visit that tomorrow.
Absolutely. I've wanted to see it for years.
Okay, we're here. Hotel Rombles. This is us.
Finally, a bed. A real bed. I've been dreaming about this moment.
Let's check in and settle in. Then we can plan tomorrow.
Good evening. We have a reservation under the name Antonia Muller.
Here's my passport and the booking confirmation.
Room 412, 4th floor. Perfect.
Thank you. Is there a restaurant in the hotel?
She says the restaurant closes at 11. We have 30 minutes.
That's cutting it close. Let's hurry upstairs and settle in quickly.
Or we could just order room service.
Even better. That way we can relax and not rush.
This room is amazing. Look at that view.
You can see the city lights from here. Beautiful.
Okay, I'm officially settled in. Bags down, shoes off. Heaven.
Same here. Let me order some food. What do you want?
Something Spanish. Tapas, patatas bravas.
Perfect. I'll order a few things to share.
So, what's the plan for tomorrow? I want to see everything.
We can't see everything in one day. Let's figure out our priorities.
Sagrada Familia is number 1. Then maybe Park Güell?
Both are must-sees, but they're in different parts of the city.
We'll be on the go all day, won't we?
Probably, but that's what vacation is about, right?
True. I'd rather be on the go in Barcelona than sitting at my desk at home.
Same. We can rest when we're back home.
Or we can sleep in tomorrow morning and start exploring at noon.
Sleep in? That sounds wonderful. We deserve it after today.
Exactly. Long flights, gate changes, rushing around. We need recovery time.
Okay, new plan. Sleep in, late breakfast, then Sagrada Familia in the afternoon.
I love this plan. Relaxed but productive.
And if we get tired, we just call it a day and come back early.
No pressure, no stress, just enjoying Barcelona at our own pace.
Exactly. Ah, the food is here.
That was fast. Wow, this looks incredible.
Patatas bravas, jamón ibérico, pan con tomate. Perfection.
Spain already has my heart and my stomach.
Cheers to Barcelona.
Cheers. This is going to be an amazing trip.
I agree. But for now, let's eat and then call it a day.
Best plan. Food, sleep, then adventure tomorrow.
Barcelona, we're ready for you. Well, tomorrow we will be.
Tomorrow. Tonight, we rest.
That wraps up today's episode of Easy Peasy English, EPE Academy. We explored 5 practical phrasal verbs and idioms. Figure out, settle in, on the go, call it a day, and sleep in. And we heard Stephan and Antonia put them all into action as they arrived in Barcelona and planned their first day. Did you catch all 5? If you missed any, listen again. Repetition is your best friend when learning a new language. Thank you so much for joining me today. Safe travels, happy learning. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new episode of Easy Peasy English, EPE Academy. I'll see you in the next episode.